one has ever talked about this method before anywhere. This is my Payoneer account, and as you can see here, I have just received $1,512 just by using the exact method that I'm gonna show you today. Now, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know what ChatGPT is, basically, it's an AI chatbot that you can ask questions and it will then answer them for you. All you have to do to access ChatGPT is just type its name in the search bar and then click the first link right here. It will take you to this page. Then just click Try ChatGPT. And now, if you don't have an account already, just hit sign up to create one. Once you do that and log in, then this is how your ChatGPT dashboard will look like. Now, like I said, to use these bot, all you have to do is to just ask them anything in the chat right here. And then just click this icon. And it will then answer whatever question you might have. So, now that you are familiar with ChatGPT, let's move to the first step on our video. And we will need to use for this Amazon affiliate marketing. And this program on Amazon is called Amazon Associates. Now, you can also use other affiliate programs instead of Amazon, like ClickBank or DG Store 24 or something like that. But in my case, since I have used Amazon Associates to make money myself, so I will also use Amazon Associates in this video. So, if you are not familiar with Amazon program, then just type in the search bar, Amazon Associates, and click the first link right here. And it's going to take you to this page. Now, as you can see here, there are only 3 steps. You sign up, and then you recommend products. And then you earn commissions. Now, don't worry about the second step here, because I will show you exactly how to recommend products with ChatGPT. All you have to do here is just scroll up and then click here where it says sign in to create your account. Now, here you can actually just sign in with your normal or regular Amazon account if you have one. And if you don't have an Amazon account at all, then just click here to create it. Now, once you have signed in, then you will just have to answer a few questions, like how you are going to get paid and stuff like that. So, once you create your Amazon affiliate account, the next step now is you are going to need your own website. Now, don't panic. I know some of you will be like, I don't know how to create a website, I don't have money to pay for a website, etc. Listen, this is gonna be extremely easy. I will show you how to create a website just like this one right here for completely free and in just under 10 minutes. So, like I said, the website that we're going to be creating is going to be just like this one. As you can see here, it says, best laptops you can buy. Now, let me explain to you what's going on here. Basically, what this website here does is they write blog posts about different products. For example, in this blog post, they are talking about the best laptops, and if we scroll down here, you will see that they write about the features of each one of these 15 laptops. They also write about their prices and pros and cons of each laptop and stuff like that. So for example, the first laptop on the list is Apple MacBook Air, and then the second one they have is MacBook Pro, and number 3, HP, number 4, Asus, all the way down to number 15. So, this is exactly what we're going to be doing as well, but don't worry, you're not going to write any of these blog posts yourself. So now, here's the thing, what I did myself and what this website owner does to make money is having affiliate links. This one is an affiliate link, and this one is an affiliate link. This one is an affiliate link as well. They literally have an affiliate link for each one of these 15 laptops. And if we just click on one of these laptops links, for example, let's click on the first one right here. It will then take us to this page. So now, everyone that bought this MacBook using their affiliate link, they will get a commission from the sale. The website that they are using is Best Buy. You can also sign up as an affiliate for Best Buy if you like. In my opinion, I think Amazon is better, but it's up to you. And what I like about laptops is that their price is a little bit higher, so you can earn up to $200 commission for each sale. So now, let's move to the most exciting part, which is creating your own website. And by the way, if you guys still watching the video, comment your country below. Also, make sure you watch till the end, as I will reveal my own secret trick of how I made this amount of money with this method. So the easiest way to create your free website is you want to head over to this website that is called system.io. And once you open the site, then the first thing you want to do is creating your free account. So just click on Get My Free Account. And then you can enter your email address here. And click this box. So once you do that and verify your email, Then just log into your account and it's gonna look something just like this. Now, like I said, this is going to be extremely easy. Just do what I do and click what I click and you will be able to create your website in just 5 minutes. So now, the first step is you just want to click here where it says blogs. And once you are here, then just click create. And now, all you have to do is just name your blog. For example, you can say something like electronics blog. And here, this will be the link for your blog. You can name it whatever you like. In my case, I will just say electronics. Now, before you click save, here they have done for you templates that you can choose from. So, I'm just going to select one of these templates that actually fits the affiliate marketing style. So, I think this one looks really cool. So, I'll just click select template. And after you select the template, then click save. And as you can see, it just created it. All you have to do now is just log into the blog, change the text and the images, and start promoting your affiliate products. So now, just click here on the name. And it will then take you to this page. And if you just click view blog, you will see how your blog is going to look like. So, this is how it looks like. Now, let's just click on one of these. For example, let me just click on the first one. And as you can see, it looks really dope. And to edit these 6 blogs, just go back here and select the blog post that you want to edit. In my case, it's this one. So, I'm just going to click it. And now, as you can see, I could change these images, I can change the text, etc. All you have to do is just double click it and then you can type here your own text. So, I'm just going to type anything here. And after you do that, just click save changes. And if you want to see how it's going to look like after the edit, just click here to preview it. So, as you can see, here is the changes that I made. This is how simple it is. You don't have to buy domain names or anything like that. They already giving you everything for free. So, now that you know where to get your affiliate links and how to create a website, there is only one step left, which is how to make articles like these and also what products to promote. And for this, we're going to use ChatGPT to do the work for us. So now, here's an example. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of 10 most popular laptops. And it just answers my question with the top 10 popular laptops. And like I said before, laptops have high commission, so make sure you also go for higher priced products to get high commission. Once you have this list, then you want to ask ChatGPT to give you a 300 words blog post on each of these laptops, giving you the benefits, the user interface, the pros and cons of each one. Then you can take that and put it into your blog post. So, as you can see, ChatGPT has created the blog post for me. So now, you just want to do the same process with all of these other products right here. And once you do that, then just combine all of them into one article that you can then post to your own website. And you can also post your affiliate links that you will get from Amazon. As for the images, it's not a big deal, you can just download some images from Google. But before you publish this text, make sure you also double check it with Grammarly.com. Just to make sure there is no grammar mistakes and stuff like that. And once you do all that, your blog will also rank on Google. So now, you can click to watch this video to discover how you can earn $21,000 per month with AI.